Is your garage door on the brink of failure? Discover how you can extend its life and save money. A garage door typically lasts between 15 to 30 years, but what factors influence this lifespan? The material of your garage door plays a crucial role. Steel, wood, aluminum, and fiberglass each have their own durability. How often do you use your garage door? Frequent use can significantly shorten its lifespan. Climate conditions in places like Flower Mound, Texas, can cause rust, warping, and other damage to your garage door. Quality installation is key. Poor installation can lead to misalignment and premature wear. Regular maintenance, such as lubrication and cleaning, can prevent your garage door from deteriorating quickly. Look out for signs that your garage door needs replacement, like frequent breakdowns, slow operation, and visible damage. Perform regular inspections, lubricate moving parts, and keep tracks clean to extend your garage door's life. Choose a durable, insulated garage door and ensure professional installation for long-lasting performance.